The fourth method to calculate Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation is step deviation method. So here, Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation R is equal to summation of dxi dyi minus summation of dxi into summation of dyi divided by n divided by root of summation of dxi square minus summation of dxi the whole square divided by n multiplied by root of summation of dyi square minus summation of dyi the whole square divided by n, where dxi equal to x minus a divided by common factor. We need to choose a common factor for this answer. Dyi equal to x minus a divided by common factor. A is equal to assumed mean. Ix equal to common factor of series x. Iy equal to common factor of series y. Summation of dxi dyi equal to sum of dxi multiplied by dyi. Summation of dxi equal to sum of dxi. Summation of dyi equal to sum of dyi. Summation of bxi square equal to calculate dxi square and then calculate its sum. Summation of byi square equal to summation calculate dyi square and then calculate its sum. So summation of dxi the whole square equal to first calculate the sum of dxi and then square it. Summation of dyi the whole square equal to first calculate the sum of dyi and then square it. Here's the question. Calculate Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient from the following data and interpret the result by step deviation method. So the number of firms are 10 here in the first column. Second column we have sales, the numbers are given. Expenses, numbers are given there. All are given in thousands. We're going to find out, utilizing step deviation method, Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. So we need to make this table. 9 columns are given here. We need to make 9 columns for this answer. First column, copy from the question as it is, x values. After that, deviation, we find out dx. In the second column, the deviation, x minus assumed mean of x equal to 6. In the first column, we have 10 numbers given there. So out of 10, we can choose either 60 or 65. They are in the middlemost part. So we are choosing the first number, 60, instead of leaving 65. So 60 is assumed mean. So x equal to 60. Now 50 minus 60 will be minus 10. 50 minus 60 will be minus 10. 55 minus 60 will be minus 5. 60 minus 60 will be 0. 65 minus 60 will be 5, and so on. We will find out like that for the second column. Third column, dxi equal to dx divided by I. We are choosing a common factor. Okay, so here we are choosing 5 as the common factor. So dx, we got minus 10. Divided by 5 will be minus 2. 2 5s are 10, we'll cut it off. Minus 5 will be there. Minus 2 will be there. Second step also minus 2. Third step, minus 5 divided by 5 will be, 5 ones are 5, so minus 1. 0 divided by 5 will be 0. 5 divided by 5 will be 1. Like that, we need to calculate and total it at the bottom. Summation of dx equal to minus 4. Our answer is in negative form there. Here in the fourth column, we need to find out dxi square, okay? Not yi square. In our textbook, printing mistakes, so correct it, dxi square, okay? Fourth column. Likewise, in the h column, last second column also, not xi, okay? This is dyi square, okay? So dxi square, we have got in the third column dxi values, so we will square it. We will multiply twice the same number. So minus 2 into minus 2 will be 4. Same as the second also, like first one. Minus 1 into 1 will be 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 will be 1. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1, like that. We'll do it. After that, summation of dxi square, okay? Summation of dxi square equal to 16. When you total it and write down, you need to write summation of dxi square equal to 16, okay? Unlike which is given in the textbook, just summation sign equal to 16 they've given. But write down summation of dxi square, okay? Now the fifth column, expenses, y values, we will copy from the question as it is and choose the assumed mean 16 as the assumed mean, okay? The sixth column now, dy equal to y minus assumed mean of y. Y equal to, we have chosen 16 as the assumed mean, so like earlier, we will now find out the division. 12 minus 16 minus 4, 13 minus 16 minus 3, like that, we will solve it, okay? Now the next column, seventh column, dyi equal to dy divided by I. I is equal to 1. We have chosen 1 as the common factor now. So minus 4 divided by 1 will be minus 4. Minus 3 divided by 1 will be minus 3, like that. We'll find out. Total, we need to write the total. Summation of dyi, okay, not xy. summation of dyi equal to, we are getting a negative like this, minus 20. Now the 8th column is dyi square, okay, not xi square. So dyi in the 7th column, we have already found the answers. So these numbers, we will multiply twice. We will square it. So minus 4 into minus 4, 16, minus 3 into minus 3, 9. Like that, we will solve it. After that, the total, we are getting us 58. So how are we going to write the total? They have given in text only summation sign, but we need to write summation dyi, the whole, summation of dyi square, okay, equal to 58. The last column, the 9th column, dxi dyi. How do we get the 9th column, dxi dyi, dxi into dyi? So dxi values from the 3rd column and dyi from the 7th column. Minus 2 into minus 4, we're getting 8. Minus 2 into minus 3, 6. Minus 1 into minus 3, 3. Like that, we will be multiplying those two values and write down. Now we will total it, and we are getting summation of dxi dyi equal to 21. After finding out all the values from the 9 tables, now we will write down the formula and fill it up, and we will solve the answer. And we are getting the positive value 0.81. So we can write, there is a high degree of positive correlation between sales and expenses incurred by the company. In other words, it means with increase in expenses, sales increase.